Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're back in fabulous Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip. We're at the Venetian Hotel and Casino, and we're going to do a room and pool tour today. So I got to Vegas on a Sunday morning. I checked into the Venetian on a Sunday afternoon, and I'm leaving on a late Friday evening, so 6 full days here at the Venetian. About 2 years ago, I stayed at the Palazzo, the sister hotel here at the Venetian Resort. And the rooms are identical, and actually they're not even rooms, they're all suites, both at the Palazzo and the Venetian. It's an all-suite hotel. Years ago, this used to be the biggest hotel in the world. Now it's like number 3 when you combine the Palazzo and the Venetian together. The cool thing is the Venetian is right next to the Palazzo. They're attached, and their pools can be shared. So because I'm staying at the Venetian, I can also use the Palazzo pools. I don't know the exact number, but there's about 6 pools here at the Venetian, and there's about 6 at the Palazzo, so that's quite a choice you have, about a dozen pools every day. Which one you're going to swim in? Totally up to you. I mean, when you think about it, you can only swim in one at a time. Now, I said the Palazzo and the Venetian are attached, and that's not quite true. They're not attached. They're joined by the Grand Canal shops, which is a huge mall here. You see the gondoliers going through them. There's canals going through it. There's a St. Peter's Square, tons of stores and restaurants as well. And the Grand Canal shops is what connects the Palazzo to the Venetian. Now, there'll be videos coming up shortly of the actual Venetian Hotel and Casino, as well as the Palazzo Hotel and Casino, and as well as the Grand Canal shops. But this video today is focusing solely on the suite that I got, as well as the swimming pools. Okay, enough chit-chat. Let's see what this bad boy looks like.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out.
So all of the pools at the Venetian as well as the Palazzo open up at 8 o'clock. I'm here about 5 of, so the line's about to go through very quickly once they open the gates. First we'll look at the Venetian pools and then we'll take a walk over to the Palazzo pools.
Don't forget to check out my book, 50 Attractions and Many Tips When Visiting Las Vegas. It's down at the bottom in the description of this video that you're watching. It's only $4.99, instantly downloaded to your computer, tons of pictures and fantastic tips if you plan on visiting Sin City.
So, as I said, there's about 6 pools here at the Venetian, and now we're heading over to the Palazzo through this little alleyway here, if you will, and I believe there's about 6 or 7 more pools at the Palazzo as well. And whether you're staying at the Palazzo or the Venetian, you have access to all the pools. Like I said, I stayed at the Palazzo about 2 years ago, and I do remember the pools, but more importantly, I remember the pool bar. It was fantastic. And that's pretty much it for the Venetian Suite Tour, as well as the Venetian and Palazzo Pool Tour. What'd you think? Leave a comment below.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.